Hello, welcome to a new video on the Geek Stars channel. This is the unboxing of the POCO X3 NFC. It's the newest release from Xiaomi. This is the 64GB with a 6GB RAM version. Inside the box, shipped directly from Xiaomi, is the following. Classic packaging on the black and yellow. We have a yellow box. Underneath that we have the phone itself. Then underneath that we have a charger and a USB cable. This is the UK version, so it comes with a UK plug, and we're happy to see it's a fast charger of 33 watts. This should be able to charge the phone in 66 minutes from 0 to 100%. There's nothing else inside the box. Inside the yellow sleeve there is a transparent phone case. This is very thick and should be able to protect the phone adequately. Now the nice part of removing protected phone. It's a very satisfying feeling. The phone itself is very nice in hand. It's got a very substantial weight. Buttons are very clicky, tactile. It has a dual SIM slot with a micro SD card slot. It has a headphone jack, a USB-C port, dual stereo speakers, and an IR blaster at the top to control TVs and air conditioners. The fingerprint sensor acts as a power button as well. So as we're powering it on, you'll see it runs on MIUI, which for me feels like a cross between a Huawei and a stock Android interface. Another very interesting thing about this phone is its sound. It has dual stereo speakers. If we just play a quick video. You can see how good that sounds. Another thing to mention is that the whole back of the phone vibrates, amplifying the sound and increasing the bass response. Because of this, if you put it on an empty box, listen to the sound difference when I place it down. Because of the whole reverse of the phone is vibrating, you get that bass reverberation. Now we're on to 3D benchmarking. The graphic performance isn't as good as I initially first thought, especially this running the newest Snapdragon 732G processor. This is a fairly middle range smartphone, so it actually performs as a middle-range smartphone in terms of processing power. The gameplay is very nice. It's got the dual stereo speakers and the vibration motor on the back. Makes it a very immersive experience. The tactile and haptic feedback really helps. That 5160 mAh battery will really get you through those games. So that's what's inside the box, and that's been a quick look at the important things of the POCO X3 NFC. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.